time, validates every exploration. Innovation embraces every challenge. Stringent quality requirements determine the depth of development. Cultivated in Yangzhou for nearly 20 years, based on the evolution history of straight lights, SOKOYO is gathering momentum and ready to launch. As a leading enterprise in the solar lighting industry, SOKOYO has continuously earned recognition from customers and the market through its forward-looking market positioning, continuous technological innovation, and high-quality product design. SOKOYO has always been dedicated to the ideal concept of make every light perfect, offering a comprehensive range of products including integrated all-in-one solar street lights, all-in-two solar street lights, split solar street lights, solar landscape lights, and IoT solar street lights. Our clients, international organizations such as UNHCR, UNDP, and World Bank, etc., renowned companies such as HB Winner, Warren, Lindu U Valley, Open Lighting, China Energy Construction Group Power China. SOKOYO seizes the opportunities in adversity and challenges to take advantage of the trend, firmly grasping the essence of development. With 40,000 square meters of professional workshop for solar panels, lithium batteries, controllers, LED fixtures, and lamp posts, our company is well equipped with over 200 sets of various production equipment, enabling us to achieve an annual sales volume of over 500 million RMB. With a forward-looking perspective, SOKOYO absorbs advanced ideas and experiences. We emphasize front-end product design and development, establishing a dedicated 2,000 square meters professional laboratory, following a systematic research and development approach, integrating high-quality resources, establishing innovative mechanisms, and optimizing management models. SOKOYO provides customers with services such as dialogues, road simulation reports, installation visualizations, CAD drawings for preliminary design, wind resistance design, and proposal recommendation and optimization. With these efforts, we consistently lead innovations in the solar lighting industry, enhancing the experience for our clients. This commitment seamlessly integrates the essence of Made by SOKOYO throughout the nation and into the global arena. In the past 2 decades, SOKOYO has aggressively carried out its social application while working towards its own development. A number of intensive patents give help to shape a new environment for SOKOYO, and impressive sets of data demonstrate our company's growing emphasis on innovation. This accomplishment not only represents SOKOYO's honor, but also the hard work and professionalism of every member of the SOKOYO team. With their knowledge, they carry the weight of each proud accomplishment, creating a vast picture of harmony and advancement for the future. There is a mindset that interprets innovation and an attitude that upholds the original intention, adhering to the vision of light up every road back home. SOKOYO connects the world with quality and technology, chopping through waves in the wave of development of the times, and every bit will converge into hope for the future.